Behind me stands four 900-pound steel statues, each of which are 14 feet tall. This art installation, titled Border Dynamics, has stood at the University of Arizona for almost 15 years. Find out more about one of UA's most well-known public art pieces with me, Jamie Donnelly, in this UA Minute with History. Border Dynamics is located outside of the Harvill building on 2nd Street. This piece was created by artists Alberto Moraquez and Guadalupe Serrano and was officially installed in 2005 according to the UA Museum of Art. The art piece was the first to be commissioned by the Tucson-based Beyond Borders Binational Art Foundation. The figures pushing on each side of the wall are said to represent the tensions of fear, misunderstanding, and the resistance to change on both sides of the border. According to the UA Museum of Art, the piece was originally supposed to use the actual border between Mexico and the US, but safety concerns on the American side stopped the border from being used. To learn more about Border Dynamics, you can visit the University of Arizona Museum of Art website. I'm Jamie Donnelly with the Wildcat. Thank you for watching this UA Minute in History.